Check the mic and make sure it sound right.
Hi, I'm DK Will. I know it's been a while. This is DK Will talking about it. And I'm going to just do a really quick video because I took a look this morning at Coinbase and I saw that there is a connection trouble. Now, this is around the same time that gold, silver, and oil are sitting at 0 on the world clock. So I think, there's something brewing. Obviously, that's an understatement. These little dips in the market, crypto market specifically, you can see the red there, indicate that the wells, of course, buy when it's red, not when it's green. That's for the minnows and the unaware retail investors. But the reason for this video is Coinbase is down. Coinbase always goes down when there's large volume for one particular reason, either on an asset or a market in its entirety. And the purpose of my video, this very brief video, is to encourage my listeners to make absolutely sure, that you have more outlets than just one. And if you go to my channel page, DK will talk about it, you'll see some links up here on the banner. You can click on the Coinbase banner. Of course, I said have more than the Coinbase. You can follow this and you're going to get $10 worth of Bitcoin as well. Or you can use the link for Uphold. And if you use the link for Uphold, you've been invited to try. Just start your account. Have another exit ramp available. And then there's, of course, Gemini. You can click on Gemini and you've been invited and you're going to get some money. Okay? You're going to get some money. And then there's other links on my banner that could be useful to you. You may or may not find them useful. One of which is this one here, which is getting you started on Binance.us. Again, free money waiting for you to come and get it. And the reason I'm doing this, folks, is not so much as to get me money or Bitcoin. I don't even own Bitcoin unless you do that, and usually I convert it. It's to make sure that you have several off-ramp options when it comes time to make a move if you have a crypto portfolio, and not be stuck and stranded like driving on a causeway with no way to get off until you get to the end of the road, with all that liquidity passing by underneath you because you didn't have off-ramps prepared. Many off-ramps prepared in case there's a traffic jam, in case there's an accident, in case you want a different exit that's a little higher in number, or in case you just gotta pee. Have your options available. I'm DK Will. This is DK Will Talk About It. I've talked about it. Have a wonderful day.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right.